In 2011, I herniated some discs in my neck. I had swelling around my spinal cord. That was the impetus for me to finally come and see Dr. Greenberg. One of the things he said to me, which I've never forgotten, was, "I wish you came 10 years ago, but I'm glad you came now." And I think that was sort of the cautious optimism that we're going to do what we can to try to fix this problem. So what was interesting about my situation was I wasn't in pain on a day-to-day basis where it compromised my ability to do things. It was more these spasms that I would get in my body, these twitches. You know, my wrist would involuntarily twitch, and I would feel it all throughout my body, and you just don't know what's going on. He said, that's what we have to get under control. When that stops, then we've sort of hit gold. For me, that was the most important thing. And then the other thing too is when you come to him, he's very hands-on. His physical examination is really second to none, and he would examine, you know, my neck, my shoulders, my spinal cord. He would tell me he could feel the improvement. Having the trust in somebody and believing what he's telling you, I think goes a long way. I used to not be able to twist open, you know, a pickle jar, for instance. I would have a lot of trouble with that, even though I went to the gym and things like that. I never knew why. And it turned out because of the effects of my spinal cord, I had lost strength in my hands. According to him now, the strength is back. Giving yourself the opportunity to come here and meet with him and just see the practice and see what he does and see the, you know, the various different people that he's, you know, helped resume their day-to-day lives. I think you're doing a disservice if you don't at least give it an opportunity.